Hi, friends. Today, being a Sunday, I thought I should solve a hard Sudoku. In fact, I was looking for one, on the internet, and I thought, let me do one hard Sudoku or a diabolical Sudoku, extremely hard Sudoku. And fortunately, just when I was contemplating doing it, I got uh, a WhatsApp from one of the persons from the group asking me to solve this particular Sudoku because apparently it seems he had a very tough time trying to get through to the puzzle. But let me see. I mean, if we can do this. I mean, it's sounds very difficult to me. It looks very difficult. There's no question about it because the way the digits are structured, it comes across as slightly difficult, or in fact difficult. No question about it. So let's get cracking now. As we start doing it, we do the pencil marks 8 8. So let's put 8 and 8 here. Then okay, 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 and 1. Okay. No wonder the person found it difficult because the person couldn't get digits immediately. So I can imagine that it can be a little difficult. But there's one of the things that I have noticed, and which perhaps this person didn't notice, is that, and that's the reason why I found difficult, is that there is this 1 3 here in this box. So from this row, 1 3 cannot come here. 1 3 is here, 1 3 cannot come here, 1 3 is here, 1 3 cannot come here. So there is the only place that can come is 1 3 1 3. Now, similarly, there is a pattern of 3 and 6. 3 6 3 6 3 6. So 3 and 6 cannot come here, 3 and 6 cannot come here, 3 and 6 cannot come here. So the only place that 3 and 6 can come here is 3 and 3 and 6 here. So 3 6 3 6. Now, obviously, logically, if 3 6 3 6 can only come here in this column, and what is the common digit? It will be 3. So 1 cannot come here. So obviously 3 comes here, 1 comes here, and 6 comes here. So I hope that was easy and not difficult. 3 6 cannot come here, 3 6 cannot come here, 3 6 cannot come here. So the only place that can 3 and 6 can come here is 3 and 6 can come only either here or here. And if this was a 1 3 pattern, 1 3 1 3, obviously if I put a 1 here, 3 has to come here, then where does the 6 go? So obviously I have to put a 3 here so that the 6 can come, because in 1 3 I cannot put a 6 here because there cannot be a 6 at all because of the pattern recognition that I just followed. Now 6 6 is we've put a 6 here. So let's see what else can we find. 6 6, let's put 6 here. 1 2 8 9 is the remaining digits in this thing. So this is 8 and 9. This is 1 2 8 9, 289, 2 and 9 are here. So this is 1 and 8. Okay. Now let's see what else can we find. Okay, look, this, because of this 1 3 3, so the 3 sits here, 3 3 3 sits here, 3 3 3 sits here, and obviously 3 and 3 push a 3 here and a 3 here and a 3 here and a 3 here logically. Okay, and now look at this 9 pushes a 9 here. So now look, interesting pattern. 6 6, a T, 6 of T, 6 6, 5 5 is also there. So it's 5 6 pair is there. We'll come to that later. 6 6. So 6 6. So that means this 6, these two 6s, where does the 6 go here? Because of this 6 and this 6, either In either of these two squares, the 6 comes, because of this 6, the 6 comes here. And now that we know that this 6 is here, this 6 comes here. Okay, now this 9 pushes a 9 here. This 9 doesn't allow a 9 here, so the 9 comes here. Now this 9 will eliminate the 9 from here, because the 9, if the 9 is here at either of these two squares, that means this is an 8. And that means this was a 1 8, this, so this becomes a 1. And now logically, this becomes a 2 9 pair. Those are the digits that are remaining. And 1 1 normal Sudoku rules, this becomes a 1. Obviously, because of this 1 and this 1 and 1 interacting, I'll put 1 here. Okay. Now, what else do we have here? Okay. Now, in this, there is already 6 digits here. So 7, 8, 9 is missing. 8 and 9 are here. So 7 is here. Now, we know that this 9 cannot have a 9. You cannot have a 9 here. So this is an 8 and this is a 9. This is 1 5 6. So this becomes a 1 7 8 triple. 1 7 8, 1 7 8 and 7 8, because there's already a 1 here. Now 1 7 8 3 5 6. That makes it 249. So we know that there is a 9 here and there is a 2 here. So obviously this is bound to be a 4, because the 9 is here somewhere. And this is a 2 9 triple. Wow, look, this is a 9, so this becomes a 2, and this becomes a 9, so this becomes a 2. Okay? Now, obviously this is a 4 here. And there is bound to be a 4, pushes a 4 here or here, either of those two squares. What else? 2 5 7 9. We don't know where the 9 is, so we are a little stuck there. 7 7 7 8, so bound to be 8 here, and bound to be 8 here. 568 will be the, and this 6 is bound to be in either of these two squares, because there's a 6 here. This will be 1 4 5 7 8. So 1 4 7 is already there. 5 8 1 8 will be 4 5 7. Look, now one of the interesting things that you will notice is that because there are, either of this would be an 8, right? Because we had said that there is a 2 8, so there cannot be an 8 here. So this remains to be a 5. Automatically 5 doesn't come here, so the 5 comes here, and we know that this was going to be a 6, either of them. Now that we put a 5, this is a 6, so this automatically becomes an 8. 5 5 5 because of this 5. Okay, now 4 makes a 4 here. 2 and 9, 2 here, so 2 and 9. Okay, this becomes a 5 7 pair. 5 7, but 7 makes a 5 here. So this is 7 7 7 7, and this is a 9 because it was a 7 9 pair. Now what is the missing number here? 4. Now this is 1 2 and 9. 1 and 2 is already here, so let's put a 9 here. Okay, now 4 6 7 comes here. Oh, let's put the missing number here. What is the missing number? That's going to be a 9. Okay, so if we know that 4 6 7 comes here, and then obviously this will be a 2 and an 8. So we don't know which is what. So let's write down 2 8 2 8. Okay, and obviously this is 1 7 and 8, and this is 5 7 and 8, and 7 and 8 is already here. So 5 is the missing number here. 7 and 8 pair here. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. And now this 8, rather this 8 and this 8. Push an 8 here, and this was a 4 because we had said either of the things is a 4. 3 and 9. So let's put 3 and 9 here, 3 and 9 here. Okay. And this is a 7 and 8 pair. And this is 178, 178, 5, 6. We don't know what is what here. So this missing number 29653, 1478. 478 is already here. So this is a 1. And now this becomes a 1. And now this becomes a 7, 8 pair. 478 missing, 7, 8. So 4 here. 7, 8. 7 and 8. 8 here pushes a 7 here. And 8 here. So this we know this is bound to be a 7 because this is a 178 triple. 7, 7 pushes a 7 here. This is an 8 because this was a 7, 8 pair. 8, 8, 8 here. So the 2 is here. 2. We don't know this one. This could be a 2. So we know that either of them. So this is a 2, 3 pair. And so what is missing? 5 and 9. 5 is here, so this is a 9. And this is a 5. 9 is here, so 3 and 9. 3 is here, so this becomes a 2 because this is a 2, 3 pair. So this becomes a 2. And this becomes a 1. And I think we're pretty much home now. 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 5. I hope that was a good solve of a difficult puzzle. And if you have any questions, let me know.